Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your uVPN subscription. If you have taken any subscription and you want to cancel your subscription, so how you can cancel. So you can see over here you can cancel your subscription by using three ways. The first one is like official website or official application, and the second like via Android, or third one is like via iOS users. Okay, so first method, you can see you need to log in into your application and you need to click on your three dots or three horizontal lines, and you will see there is a option pop up like this kind of option, like you need to click on manage subscription option. And once you click on manage subscription, you will see your each and every details on this page, and you can cancel your subscription by pressing on cancel my subscription button. And this is the one way. And if we talk about like if you have taken any subscription on your Android device, then how you can cancel your uVPN subscription on Android. So you can see you need to open your Play Store, you need to click on your profile icon, and you need to tap on your payments and subscription page, and you need to tap on subscription, and you need to select your subscription which you want to cancel your subscription. In your case, you will find your uVPN in this list, and you need to tap on the button and you will see there is an option like cancel subscription. Okay, and you need to choose cancel button, and you need to follow the prompts, and you need to provide a valid reason, and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Now if we talk about like how to cancel your subscription of uVPN on iOS users, then you can see you need to open your settings app on your iOS device, and you need to click on your profile icon, and once you tap on your Apple ID or profile name, you need to select your subscription option, and once you tap on subscription, you will see all the active list of your subscription. You need to choose uVPN app on the list, and you need to follow the prompts, and by using this way you can easily cancel your subscription of uVPN on Android, iOS, and on their official app. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.